Your Jaguar is engineered for performance, luxury, and precision. But behind the scenes, essential fluids keep everything running smoothly. In today's video, we're going to break down what those fluids are and why it's important to keep up on your Jaguar's maintenance. Let's start with the most important one, engine oil. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts inside of your engine, reducing friction and helping prevent wear and overheating. Clean oil helps your Jaguar perform at its best and protects your engine from costly damage. Next is engine coolant, sometimes called antifreeze. Coolant regulates engine temperature by absorbing heat and preventing your engine from overheating in the summer or freezing cold winter months. A properly maintained cooling system is critical for long-term engine health. Your brake fluid is what helps transfer your brake pedal energy into stopping your vehicle. Without clean brake fluid, your stopping power can be reduced, leading to longer braking distances and diminished performance. That's why regular brake fluid inspections are essential. Windshield washer fluid may seem pretty simple, but it's very important for your safety and visibility. It helps clear dirt, bugs, road salt, and debris from your windshield, allowing you to see clearly in all driving conditions. Your Jaguar's transmission fluid helps lubricate internal transmission components and supports smooth gear changes. Over time, transmission fluid can degrade, making routine inspections an important part of maintaining your vehicle's performance. Power steering fluid helps make your vehicle's steering smooth and responsive. Low or contaminated steering fluid can affect your drivability and comfort behind the wheel. The best way to protect your Jaguar is to get it serviced by factory-trained technicians who know your vehicle inside and out. If you're due for a fluid inspection, oil change, or coolant service, then visit Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service. Our certified technicians only use factory-approved fluids and certified parts. So schedule your service today with Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.